Hi there, and welcome to What's Smart Cooking. Today I'm going to bake a steak. That's right, bake a steak. Now I like a good roast, but sometimes when I cook a leg of lamb, I actually eat leftovers for the next 3 or 4 days, and it can get a bit boring. So I came up with the idea of throwing the steak in the oven with some vegetables and bake it. Anyway, let's get the pots and pans out and let's get cooking. For today's recipe, we're going to require about 300 grams of chuck steak, 1 medium-sized carrot, 4 baby potatoes, a piece of pumpkin, half cup each of peas and corn, about a half tablespoon of salt, same amount of pepper, some oregano leaves, some onion powder, some garlic powder and some beef stock. Before I start preparing my vegetables, I preheat my oven to about 180 degrees Celsius. We start off by putting our steak into our pan. A good sprinkle of oregano, some onion powder, and a good sprinkle of garlic. Put on as much as you like, I like a lot. Some of the pepper, and the salt. Give it a bit of a shake, roll it all in. So now we've got the spices on both sides of the steak. Now we can start up cutting our vegetables. I'll be cutting the vegetables into bite-sized pieces. They can all go directly into our pan. Next, the carrot. Cut the end off. And once again, cut into pieces about bite-sized pieces. They all go into our pan. Clean up our pumpkin. After we've taken the skin off, cut into the same size pieces of the potato and the carrot. They go into the pan as well. Then pour some of the beef stock into the pan, just about up to the top of the steak. It's taken about 3/4 of my beef stock, so it's about 750 millilitres. This is a long, slow cook, so it'll be in the oven about an hour, maybe even a bit longer. We'll check it again in about half an hour and see how it's going. It's been in for around about half an hour. Time to turn it over. Looking good. Everything's coming along nicely. Trying to get the peas and corn on. We'll come back and check again in about 10-15 minutes. It's all coming together. I think the peas and corn are ready. Time to take them off. I think the steak is nearly done, so I'm just going to turn it over. That's getting super close, so I'm just going to make some gravy. I think it's done. Start off with plating up our meat. Put in some vegetables. Add the peas. Just a bit of gravy over the top. Looks delicious. It's a moment of truth, the taste test. The meat is very tender. It's a good roast. Well, I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, hit the like, subscribe, share and leave a comment. Don't forget, hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.